Okay, outfit for Saturday. Scrape all this out. It's a venti kind of day. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Vlogmas day 16. I feel like it's been a little while since I vlogged my day. I did 2 sit-down videos, my last 2 vlogs, just because I felt like I really needed time to rest and get to my best self. I'm feeling so much better, thank God. I really do think that all of that medicine and remedies really worked, because I'm feeling totally fine, like $1,000,000. I just have a little bit of a runny nose, but that's it. No body aches, no headaches, thank you, Lord. I really wanted to get a workout in today because I'm feeling better, and I haven't worked out all week because I was just resting and listening to my body. But we have quite a to-do list today, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to get a workout in. So we have a lot of things to do today. This morning, I listed out everything that I have to do because we are leaving tomorrow. We are going out of town for my sister-in-law's 21st birthday getaway. We're doing like a winter getaway, and I'm really excited for it. We're leaving tomorrow, so I have a lot to do today to prep for that. And one of the main things is cleaning the entire house. It's such a habit for me to clean the house before we leave anywhere, whether it's vacation or a staycation, anything like that, because the feeling of coming home to a clean house is just unmatched. Like, it is such an amazing feeling. But I've already completed quite a bit on my to-do, and I'm actually right on time because I wrote out my to-do list and then I time blocked my day. That's just the only way that I can tackle days like today without feeling overwhelmed, is knowing what I'm supposed to be doing each hour. That way it helps avoid the feeling of feeling overwhelmed. So I already did 2 things on my to-do list. I'm about to get started on getting ready because I have to film a video. This morning I did a Target run to get some things that I need to clean the house. I got myself a venti coffee because it's a venti kind of day. I also made the icing for these cookies that I'm making for my sister-in-law's 21st birthday. We're doing a 21 Savage theme, so I'm doing some cookies for that. I already baked them last night, so that was a huge time saver, and I'll bring you guys along the process on how I decorate them. I made the icing, and so now all I have to do is actually decorate them. If you guys are new here, then you probably don't know that I used to have a cookie business where I would make custom cookies. They are royal icing sugar cookies. So I sometimes do it here and there for like family or special events, but not for like an actual business anymore, just because I wasn't able to keep up with it. But I'll leave down below my cookie recipe and also my royal icing recipe in case you guys want to do Christmas cookies or use this as a tool to like do your own cookies. But I'm going to show you guys how I do all of that. So flooding cookies is on my to-do. I got to clean my makeup brushes because that's another thing that I've been putting off that I really need to do. Clean and then start packing. So we've got quite a day. I think what I'm going to do now is go get ready so I can start filming and editing. And I'm excited. We're going to have a good day. We're going to have a productive day. And it's really gloomy outside, and I'm not going to allow this gloominess to get to me because we got things to do. We have a really long day today. I want to test out this Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas Primer, and it says it's a featherweight protective primer. I literally just have a sample. Actually, it doesn't say that it's for like long-lasting makeup, but I have heard a lot of things about this primer, and I kind of want to test it out to see if it helps my makeup last longer, since we have a long day today. And I figured we'd do a little experiment to see if it's a good primer to invest in. And I'm also going to put some Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this primer so much. It's so good for making my makeup last. So I'm just gonna lay it on top. I'll check in with you guys and let you know how it's sitting. Right now it's 12 o'clock, so I'll probably check in with you guys in a few hours, and hopefully the makeup still looks good. that's literally all that I've been doing all day long, is just working. I cleaned a little bit and now I'm gonna get started on the cookies because it's time to flood the cookies. So last night I brainstormed like the designs for the cookie because it's a 21 Savage theme, so I wanted to cater the cookies around that theme. So I'm gonna have 2 cookies that are gonna say "Do Your Thing 21" like the song. Then I'm gonna have 2 champagne bottles because she's turning 21. And then 2 cookies that say "How many shots you gonna take?" a lot, which is kind of like a play on one of 21 Savage songs. Then I'm gonna do 2 that is the 21 Savage knife logo. 2 that have, I'm gonna attempt to do this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, but I'm gonna do 2 that have like a cocktail and a hand silhouette. And then I'm gonna do 2 that have just like a chain, and then 21 as like hanging off the chain. So that's the vision. These are gonna be pretty easy because it's just a black and white theme, black, white, and silver. So it's gonna be pretty easy. I didn't have to do a ton of icing. So I literally just have to use these, and I'll leave down below my icing recipe if you guys wanna do cookies at home or, and then recreate it with like different colors for different designs. I have 1 icing that is a medium consistency, which basically just means it's a little bit stiffer. And then I have 1 that's a flood consistency, which means that it's like the one that actually fills the cookie. So I'll also leave linked down below some videos that helped me out when I started cooking, that helped me kind of understand the different consistencies and what consistencies you want for what type of design, because it is holiday season and cookie decorating is really fun to do during the holidays, especially if you want to do like Christmas themed ones. So if you're interested, I'll leave that down below. But that is what is next on the agenda. Out of my 7 things on my to-do list, I've only completed 3. Well, not only, I have completed 3, and there's 4 more to go. So hopefully we're able to get to those before the night is over. But I'm gonna get started on flooding, and I'm gonna watch, well, babe, do you mind if I watch season 2 of White Lotus, or do you want me to wait for you? What should I watch? Oh, I know what I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna watch Real Housewives of Miami because I've heard that it's a really good season this season. So I'm gonna watch that while I flood these cookies. This is one of the most satisfying parts of doing cookies, the flooding part, because do you see just the layer, how it looks? It looks so like a cloud, and I love having like a clean slate. This is just the first step. Now I have to let these dry for anywhere between 4 to 6 hours, but it's currently 8 o'clock. So I'm just gonna let them dry overnight so that tomorrow morning I can decorate them without feeling like, you know, I'm having to be super careful, because if I don't wait for the first layer to fully dry, whatever icing I put on top can bleed onto the white, or it could just like, I could poke through it and just completely mess it up. So I'm just gonna let these babies rest overnight, and then we'll pick back up with the decor tomorrow. All right, I'm gonna get comfy for the second set of to-dos that I have to do, which is packing all of my things for our trip this weekend. I just realized I didn't give you guys an update on the primer. I didn't see a difference at all on longevity for my makeup. I did touch it up once because I was really oily, but like I didn't notice a big difference, honestly, in terms of like the way that my makeup applied or anything like that. It looked the same. So I will not be purchasing because I know that that primer is expensive. I will just keep my hunt going. I'm also gonna pack my toiletries since I'm already using my toiletries to take off my makeup. Then I could just pack it in here in my handy dandy toiletry bag that I love so much and I take on every trip. I should take this off because I can't take my makeup off with this big old sweater. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update before I take my makeup off. I'm gonna do my skincare really quick and then we'll get into styling for the weekend. Here's what I got for outfit number 1. It's an all white sweatsuit. These are both from H&M. They're not like an actual set, but they just match. And then I also have this really comfortable teddy coat from H&M. I got this last winter, and then my mini Uggs and this beanie from Target. I forgot to mention that I'm not doing any skiing or anything like that. I'm literally just going to chill and get away and just like enjoy some winter calmness. So all my outfits are going to be like basically lounging outfits. So yeah, I'm really comfortable. I feel so cozy in this. So I'm thinking this is what I'm going to wear tomorrow, and then tomorrow all day, and then tomorrow night. Okay, outfit for Saturday to lounge around the house is very simple and cozy. I'm wearing tights with my Uggs and this oversized sweater from Boohoo, and then this scarf from Aritzia. And I think I actually might throw on a beanie as well to kind of just tie it all together. But this is what I'll be lounging in for Saturday. Really comfortable. I can't wait. I can't wait to just lounge around. I'm gonna pack some books so that I can catch up on some reading and literally just like disconnect. I'm so excited. So for the last day, I'm basically kind of just packing to wear what I'm gonna wear on my way home and what I'll wear for the day. I'm just gonna wear these sweatpants from, I think these are Boohoo, this cropped hoodie from H&M, the scarf from H&M, and then this turtleneck from Zara. And I'll probably get a black beanie and also wear my Uggs, just because I don't want to pack extra shoes if I don't need to, because we're literally just going to be in the house just enjoying our time. So I don't think I'll have to pack anything else other than my Uggs. But this is the final outfit. Eric just got home from Target with a bunch of goodies for the weekend. Some Maruchan, of course. I love these. I don't know why I really like these Chobani flips. They're probably not even like the healthiest for you, but they're really good. I just love the convenience of it. They're so easy. Cafe Bustelo for coffee, Boom Chicka Pop, and then we got some Old Bay potato chips. So we got through most of today. I would say this level of the house is halfway clean, right? We just need the kitchen and the bathroom, so we'll give this a little half completion. And then I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes right now. I brought them down already because they really need a deep clean. Okay, before I get started on cleaning my makeup brushes, I'm gonna make a little concoction that I saw on TikTok. And then I'm going to sleep. I have my jammies on, I'm ready for bed. It's been a day. But I saw on TikTok these aloe vera popsicles that you use to like ice roll your face. And I really wanna try it because aloe vera has really good properties like for your skin, like to make your skin glow, also for pores. So here's my aloe vera plant. I have kept it in water for like the last 2 days because apparently it has like some toxins on the like skin of it. And this is what it looks like because this was clear water before, and then this is everything that it kind of absorbed from the plant. So I'm just gonna peel this and make my little aloe vera cocktail for my face, and hopefully it solves all my skin issues. And then I'm just gonna use a peeler to peel the skin off. I'm so excited. Please work. I just want to try as much natural things as I can because I feel like that's what my skin needs, because just of how like sensitive it is, I'm like, okay, I feel like I need to resort to more natural remedies. So that's what we're doing over here. I'm just gonna use a spoon to scrape all of this out. Look at that. Oh wow. Look at all that. I'm gonna scrape all of this out. This was a juicy one. And I'm gonna put all of this into a blender with some water. And I'm gonna put it into this face ice mold that I got off Amazon. I filled it up. That kind of took a while because it was a little hard to do with this little funnel because it foams up. But I'm really looking forward to this waking up my skin tomorrow morning because I'm gonna have an early morning because I gotta finish those cookies tomorrow. This is gonna come in clutch. Hopefully my skin doesn't react to it like it does to every other thing.